Are you sure that door is unlocked? What if there's a guard dog?
Stop worrying. I checked it earlier. Now follow my lead and be quiet.
Look at that prize-winning cow. We'll be rich.
Are you sure this is safe? What if they wake up?
Come on. Did you get it yet?
Hold still, you're making me nervous.
Hurry up, get the rope around his neck.
He won't stand still. He almost got me.
Stop whining and just do it.
Pull! I said pull!
I'm trying. It's not working. We're gonna get caught.
Are you sure nobody saw us? This feels wrong. Pull!
It's like pushing a brick wall. Move! Best heist ever!
Those cops won't know what hit them. Keep it down back there.
This way. Watch your step.
What a beautiful morning, walk into the barn.
Where are you? Cow! Horse! Sheep! Pig! Come out!
I have to call the police right now!
Hello, police! Someone stole my prize-winning pig. They took him right out of the barn. You gotta send someone quick!
Officer, thank God you're here. He's in the barn.
All right, sir, stay calm. Where exactly did you see him last?
I don't understand it, officer. I parked the combine harvester right inside those doors yesterday evening, and now it's completely gone.
He's on the trail. They went this way. Towards the mountain road. Be careful up there.
Hang on tight, we're moving out.
They went north on the main road.
Look there, down by the water. What do you see?
I don't like this, Theron. We should have been gone hours ago. What if they find us here?
Relax, Petter. Nobody knows this cave. We're safe until morning.
Look out! It's a K9! Get back! Get away! This is the police. Drop your weapons and put your hands up now. This is the police. Drop your weapons and put your hands up now.
All right, move it. Both of you, straight into the car.
Oh, my aching everything. This is humiliating.